The AI roadmap most people are following right now is already outdated. And honestly, that's why so many beginners feel confused. Because if you search how to learn AI on YouTube today, you'll hear completely different advice everywhere. Someone will say learn advanced math first. Others will say start with deep learning. Others will say AI will replace programmers anyway. And then there are people telling beginners to spend 8 months learning theory before building anything real. But here's the problem, the AI industry in 2026 is changing way too fast for old roadmaps. A lot of advice online is based on how people got hired in 2019 or 2020. That world was very different. Today, one person with AI tools can build products that previously needed entire teams. Companies are no longer hiring only based on degrees or certificates. They are hiring people who can actually build useful AI systems. So in this video, I'll show you the roadmap I would personally follow if I had to start AI from absolute zero in 2026. So let's begin with section 1, the biggest beginner mistake. The biggest mistake beginners make is treating AI like a syllabus. They think first I'll complete Python, then math, then machine learning, and then deep learning. And after 1 year, I'll finally build projects. And honestly, that approach kills momentum. Because AI is not just a school subject, it's a practical field. You learn AI the same way you learn swimming. You don't study swimming for 6 months before entering the water, right? So you start small, struggle, improve, and learn while practicing. And AI works exactly the same way. The people growing fastest right now are not the people watching the most courses. They're the ones who are building consistently. Now, section number 2. How much math do you really need? So let's address the biggest fear beginners have. Do I need a lot of math for AI? Honestly, this is where many people waste months. Yes, maths matter, but the internet exaggerates how much math you need before starting. You do not need to master advanced calculus or linear algebra before touching machine learning. Many people spend months grinding math textbooks without building anything practical, and eventually they burn out. The smarter approach is to build intuition first. Understand how models make predictions, what overfitting means, how training works, and how data affects results. Then deepen the math gradually as you grow. Because once you start building projects, the math starts making much more sense. Now, if your goal is hardcore AI research, then yes, strong mathematics becomes extremely important. But beginners should not treat math like a gatekeeping barrier. Start first, improve gradually. That works much better. Now, section number 3. Learn Python, but don't get stuck there. Python is still the most important programming language in AI. Almost the entire AI ecosystem runs on it. But here's another beginner mistake. Trying to master all of Python before starting AI, that is unnecessary. You only need practical Python, like variables, loops, functions, APIs, basic OOP, and file handling. That's enough to start building. And honestly, learning coding in 2026 is easier than ever because AI itself can help you learn faster. You can ask AI, explain this error, optimize this code, help me understand this concept. But there's also a danger here. A lot of people now let AI write everything for them, and that creates the illusion of learning without actual understanding. So use AI as a mentor, not as a replacement for thinking, because eventually interviews and real jobs still require understanding. Now moving to section number 4, where you stop watching and start building. Now, this is probably the most important part of the video. AI is not a spectator sport. You cannot become good at AI just by watching tutorials. At some point, you need to start building things yourself. And this is where most people fall behind. They watch build ChatGPT clone, build AI app, build ML project, but instead of understanding the logic, they just copy paste code. The project gets completed, but the learning never happens. And interviews expose this very quickly. Because companies are not testing whether you watch tutorials, they are testing whether you understand how the systems work. So start building small projects yourself. A spam classifier, a recommendation system, a resume analyzer, a simple AI chatbot. Your first projects do not need to be revolutionary. The goal is not perfection. The goal is building intuition. Because projects teach you something tutorials never can. How to think independently. Now moving to section number 5, the AI industry, where we talk about where the AI industry has changed. A few years ago, learning classical machine learning alone was enough to stand out. But today, Not really, because generative AI completely changed the industry. Companies now want people who can build AI powered products and workflows, not just train models inside notebooks. And this is one of the biggest mindset shifts you need to understand in 2026 because you are no longer just learning machine learning. You are learning AI engineering. That includes LLMs, RAG systems, vector databases, AI agents, prompt engineering, AI APIs, and automation workflows. And honestly, this shift is also creating huge opportunities. Earlier, building AI products required massive infrastructure and huge teams. Now, one person can build incredibly powerful AI systems using modern APIs and open source models. That is a massive advantage for beginners. Now, moving to section number 6. What projects actually get you hired? You see, most AI learners build the wrong projects. Tutorial projects are fine for learning, but they usually won't impress recruiters anymore because hiring managers are trying to answer one question: can this person solve real problems? That's it. So instead of generic projects, build practical ones like an AI study assistant, a customer support chatbot, a resume ATS analyzer, an AI research tool, or workflow automation systems. And most importantly, deploy your projects. A Jupyter notebook alone is not enough anymore. Learn basic GitHub, APIs, Docker, and cloud deployment. Because deployable projects instantly make your profile look more professional. And another underrated strategy: build projects around industries like finance, healthcare, education, cybersecurity, e commerce. Industry specific projects make your profile look much more memorable. Now, moving to section number 7, where we talk about the reality of AI jobs in 2026. Yes, opportunities are growing rapidly, but competition is also exploding, which means basic tutorial knowledge is no longer enough. Companies increasingly care about practical skills, problem solving, deployment, communication, and adaptability. But here's the good news: most people still quit too early. Most people stay stuck consuming tutorials. Most people never build consistently, which means if you stay disciplined for one serious year, you already move ahead of huge percentage of learners. And another important thing, AI is no longer just creating AI jobs. It is changing almost every tech role. Software engineering, data analytics, cloud, cybersecurity, product development, everything is becoming AI assisted, which means learning AI is becoming less of a specialized skill and more of a career multiplier. So, if we simplify everything, the roadmap looks like this. First, learn practical Python, then learn basic data handling and visualization. And after that, understand core machine learning concepts and build small projects. Then move into deep learning and modern AI engineering concepts like LLMs, RAG systems, APIs, and AI workflows. And throughout the entire journey, keep building, keep experimenting, and keep improving your projects. That is the roadmap. No shortcuts, no fake promises, just consistent practical learning over time. You see, the biggest opportunity in AI right now is not that AI is replacing humans. The real opportunity is that AI is dramatically increasing what one skilled person can build. And honestly, there has probably never been a better time to enter this field. The tools are more accessible, the resources are better, and AI skills are becoming valuable across almost every industry. So don't wait until you feel completely ready. Start small, build consistently, and stay curious and improve step by step. Because 1 year from now, you'll either be watching AI roadmap videos or you'll actually be building things with AI. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments which AI topic should we cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.